The most expensive hypercars in 2026. Think a $1 million Ferrari is expensive. Think again. In 2026, billionaires are spending upwards of $40 million on a single car. These aren't just vehicles. They are rolling palaces, masterpieces of engineering, and the ultimate status symbols for the top 0.1%. In this video, we are counting down the absolute most expensive hypercars in the world right now. Number 1 will completely shock you. Let's dive in. First up at number 3 is the brand new Bugatti Tourbillon. Replacing the legendary Chiron was no easy task, but Bugatti managed to build a masterpiece. Priced at a staggering $4.6 million before options, this hybrid beast pumps out an insane 1,800 horsepower. But the real magic is inside. The dashboard features a completely Swiss-made analog watch cluster built with over 600 titanium components. It moves as you drive. It is pure luxury combined with raw, unadulterated speed. Moving to number 2, we have the breathtaking Pagani Utopia Roadster. Pagani is known for making rolling art, and the Utopia is no exception. With a price tag hovering around $5 million, only a handful of billionaires will ever lay eyes on one in their private garages. Powered by a twin-turbo V12 engine from Mercedes-AMG, it delivers 864 horsepower. The interior looks like a sci-fi spaceship, crafted entirely from exposed carbon fiber, fine leather, and milled aluminum. It is exclusive, rare, and incredibly loud. And finally, at number 1, the king of luxury wheels, the Rolls-Royce Noire Droptail. This is not a production car. It is a completely custom coach-built masterpiece, created for an ultra-wealthy, anonymous client. The price? A mind-blowing $30 million. Inspired by the French black Baccarat Rose, the dark red paint job requires 150 rounds of development to perfect. Inside, it features a luxury Audemars Piguet watch built directly into the dashboard that the owner can detach and wear. It is officially the pinnacle of automotive wealth in 2026. Which one of these hypercars would you park in your dream garage? The speed of the Bugatti, the art of the Pagani, or the pure elegance of the Rolls-Royce? Let us know in the comments below. If you love the billionaire lifestyle, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Sebasto Luxury for more exclusive content. See you in the next video.